Have you ever fantasized about a place you've never been to? Witness the breathtaking aurora in Iceland, immerse yourself in the glamour of fashion shows in Italy, or embark on a culinary journey through China. For me, I dreamed of France, as I'm into the elegant fashion sense of the French people and the magnificent architectural style of French buildings. Well, it sounds like France is less than 1 square kilometer with luxury brands hanging on the Eiffel Tower. Although my perception of France is vague, my dreams of my life there is quite detailed. Strolling towards the Louvre Museum with Seine River by my side, I indulge in a mouth-watering omelette accompanied by a steaming cup of café au lait at a charming riverside restaurant. Everything seems perfect, except for one crucial detail that slipped my mind. I forgot to factor in the price. Through a month-long stay in France this summer, I realized, yes, you can sit by the riverside, gazing at the shimmering water under the moonlight and savoring the tranquility of the cityscape. But be cautious of the rats running behind you. Yes, you can acquire exceptionally delicate artworks in boutique shops. This time, no worries about rats. Concerns about money are enough to occupy your mind. Yes, you can find restaurants that offer traditional French cuisine with exquisitely presented dishes. But not everyone can truly savor its unique flavor. Some metro stations may greet you with picturesque exteriors, but also with a smell of toilet interior. Some museums may overwhelm you with the sheer abundance of artworks and crowds. I suddenly understand why people can interpret Mona Lisa's smile in numerous ways. If I were in a metro station as packed as this exhibition hall during rush hour, I could perceive emotions beyond happiness, even in a smile found on a McDonald's Happy Meal. Throughout this month, reality has blended with my dreamy illusions. Yet I remained utterly captivated by the fireworks that gracefully light up the night sky on the 14th of July. I immersed myself in the panoramic view from the summit of Fourvière Hill while basking in the warm sunsets. And I definitely enjoyed staying in a cozy restaurant for a night with food and good company. Living in France has shattered my perfect image of this country, but I'm grateful for it. It has taught me to view things in a more objective light and to embrace a layer of authenticity that makes the place more unique and memorable.